Good morning. My name is Utkarsh from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Fatehpur, and I am a member of Nav Bharat Creators team in a Viksit Bharat Foundation. Today I am here to present a video explanation solution on a topic Women and Child Welfare Initiative. Women and Child Welfare Initiative play a crucial role in building a just, inclusive, and progressive society. The welfare of women and children is directly linked to the social, economic, and cultural health of a nation. Empowered women contribute meaningfully to development processes, while healthy, educated, and secure children ensure a prosperous future. Therefore, a targeted initiative aimed to improving the status of women and children are not only a moral responsibility but also an essential strategy for a sustainable national growth. In India, numerous government and non-government programs have been implemented to safeguard the right and enhance the well-being of women and children. Schemes such as the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Anganwadi services, Integrated Child Development Services, Janani Suraksha Yojana and Poshan Abhiyan reflect the government's commitment to addressing gender inequality and maternal and child health, nutrition and education. Likewise, laws such as the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, the Child Marriage Restraint Act and the Juvenile Justice Act strengthen the legal framework for protection and justice. These policies and programs collectively aim to eliminate discrimination, ensure safety, and promote equal opportunities for women and children. However, despite substantial progress, challenges remain. Gender discrimination, female foeticide, malnutrition, and child labor, and unequal access to education and health care continue to affect vulnerable groups. Deep-rooted partial norms and socio-economic disparities often hinder the effective implementation of welfare schemes. To overcome these issues, a holistic approach is essential, one that combines policy reform, community awareness, education, and economic empowerment. Civil society organizations, media, and local governance structure must collaborate to ensure that welfare initiatives reach the grassroots and truly transform lives. In conclusion, women and child welfare is not merely a sectoral concern but a cornerstone of national development. The success of any nation depends on how well it nurtures its women and children. Through sustained commitment, coordinated efforts, and inclusive policies, it is possible to create a society rooted in equality, dignity, and opportunity for all. The future of a strong and vibrant nation rests in ensuring that women and children are as healthy and educated, protected, and empowered to lead lives of purpose and pride. Thank you.